Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Agile, where we dive into everything from its basics to real-world applications. Whether you're a beginner or a professional looking to refine your knowledge, this video is for you. Agile traces its roots back to the early 2000s, when a group of 17 software developers gathered at a ski resort in Utah. Frustrated by the rigid and often inefficient project management methods of the time, they formulated the Agile Manifesto in 2001. This manifesto set forth 4 key values and 12 principles that emphasize collaboration, customer satisfaction, and the ability to respond to change. Agile was designed to address the shortcomings of traditional, linear approaches like the waterfall model, which often led to delays and unmet expectations. Core philosophy: flexibility, collaboration, and iterative progress. At its heart, Agile is more than just a process. It's a mindset. The philosophy revolves around 3 main pillars. Flexibility. Adapting to change is a core strength of Agile. Instead of sticking to a rigid plan, Agile teams embrace new requirements, even if they emerge late in the project. Collaboration. Agile thrives on teamwork. It brings together cross-functional teams, stakeholders, and customers to ensure everyone is aligned. Iterative progress. Agile promotes breaking projects into smaller, manageable iterations or sprints. This way, teams can continuously deliver value and gather feedback for improvement. Let's start by understanding the key differences between Agile and traditional project management, often referred to as the waterfall model. Traditional projects follow a linear, sequential approach with distinct phases: requirements, design, implementation, testing, and delivery. These phases are completed one at a time, making it difficult to adapt to changes once the project is underway. In contrast, Agile embraces flexibility. Work is broken into smaller, iterative cycles called sprints, typically lasting 1 to 4 weeks. At the end of each sprint, a working increment of the product is delivered, allowing teams to adapt to feedback and evolving requirements. For example, in a traditional project, you might finalize the product months or even years after starting, often discovering late-stage issues. In Agile, you get early insights and can pivot quickly if needed. This focus on adaptability and customer feedback is a game-changer in today's fast-paced environment. Leadership plays a pivotal role in Agile, but it's quite different from the traditional command and control style. In traditional projects, leaders often function as decision-makers who oversee and direct tasks. In Agile, leadership is about empowerment and facilitation. Agile leaders, such as Scrum Masters or Agile coaches, focus on enabling teams to self-organize and collaborate effectively. The leadership emphasis shifts from managing people to serving teams. For example, instead of assigning tasks, Agile leaders remove obstacles, foster a culture of trust, and ensure that the team has everything it needs to succeed. This shift aligns with the Agile principle of valuing individuals and interactions over processes and tools. It creates an environment where creativity and innovation can thrive. Now let's talk about 2 widely used Agile frameworks that help scale Agile in larger organizations: SAFe and LESS. SAFe, or the Scaled Agile Framework, is designed for enterprises managing multiple teams across departments. It provides a structured approach to scaling Agile, incorporating roles like release train engineers, strategic planning layers, and synchronization of multiple teams. SAFe emphasizes alignment at all levels of the organization while maintaining agility. It's particularly effective in environments with complex dependencies and high levels of coordination. On the other hand, LESS, or large-scale Scrum, focuses on simplicity. It's an extension of Scrum, designed for scaling Agile across multiple teams working on the same product. Unlike SAFe, LESS minimizes additional roles and layers, relying on existing Scrum principles like cross-functional teams and transparency. LESS is ideal for organizations that prioritize lean practices and want to maintain the lightweight essence of Agile. So, if your organization needs a robust, hierarchical structure, SAFe might be your go-to framework. If simplicity and lean principles resonate more, LESS could be the perfect fit. Both frameworks share the common goal of scaling Agile principles, but cater to different organizational needs. Agile is not just a methodology, it's a mindset that focuses on delivering value incrementally. Instead of waiting months or years for a final product, Agile emphasizes delivering smaller, functional pieces that can evolve based on feedback. Think of it like building a puzzle, piece by piece. Key features: iterative approach, collaboration, and flexibility. Agile vises traditional projects. Let's compare Agile with traditional project management, also known as the waterfall model. In traditional projects, tasks follow a linear sequence: plan, execute, deliver. It's great for projects with clear, unchanging requirements, like constructing a building. But in dynamic fields like software development, Agile's iterative cycles make it the clear winner. Here's a simple chart comparing Agile and traditional project management, waterfall, highlighting their key differences. Agile leadership focus. Agile leadership is less about giving orders and more about enabling teams to perform at their best. Agile leaders are facilitators, fostering collaboration and removing roadblocks. Example: leaders as mentors, not managers. Encourage cross-functional teamwork. In Agile, leadership takes on a transformative role. Unlike traditional top-down management styles, Agile leadership is about empowerment, collaboration, and fostering an environment where teams can thrive. Agile leadership principles. At its core, Agile leadership shifts the focus from controlling tasks to enabling teams. Leaders in Agile are more like mentors than managers. They guide and support their teams, ensuring they have the resources, tools, and clarity needed to succeed. For example, an Agile leader might spend time coaching team members on problem-solving techniques rather than simply assigning tasks. Their role is to create a culture of trust where everyone feels safe to experiment, innovate, and even fail, knowing that failures are just stepping stones to improvement. Agile leaders also work proactively to remove impediments. This could mean addressing process inefficiencies, resolving conflicts, or ensuring clear communication across departments. By doing so, they help their teams focus on delivering value without unnecessary distractions, encouraging cross-functional collaboration. Another hallmark of Agile leadership is promoting cross-functional teamwork. Agile leaders encourage team members from different disciplines, developers, testers, designers, and business analysts, to collaborate closely. This diversity in skills and perspectives enhances problem-solving and ensures that solutions are comprehensive. Instead of passing work sequentially from one department to another, an Agile leader facilitates real-time collaboration among all team members. This approach reduces silos, speeds up decision-making, and ensures the product aligns with customer needs. By fostering open communication and shared ownership, Agile leaders help their teams achieve better results while building a strong sense of unity and purpose. Agile leadership best practices. What makes an Agile leader stand out? It's their ability to trust and empower teams while fostering an environment that prioritizes collaboration, adaptability, and growth. Let's explore some key best practices that define effective Agile leadership. Build trust and psychological safety. First and foremost, Agile leaders excel at building trust and psychological safety. Teams perform their best when they feel safe to express ideas, take risks, and share concerns without fear of judgment or blame. For example, an Agile leader might openly acknowledge their own mistakes and encourage the team to view setbacks as opportunities for growth. They also ensure that every team member's voice is heard and valued during discussions. This creates a culture where people are confident to innovate and push boundaries without fear of failure. Promote transparency in goals and progress. Transparency is another cornerstone of Agile leadership. Agile leaders ensure that the team's goals, progress, and challenges are visible to everyone. For instance, Agile leaders often use tools like sprint boards or daily stand-ups to keep the team updated on what's being worked on, what's completed, and what might need attention. This open communication fosters accountability and ensures everyone is on the same page, from team members to stakeholders. Encourage continuous learning and innovation. Finally, great Agile leaders promote a culture of continuous learning and innovation. An Agile leader might introduce regular retrospectives where the team reflects on what went well and what could be improved. They may also provide access to training, workshops, or mentorship opportunities to upskill team members. This focus on growth ensures that the team not only adapts to change, but thrives in a constantly evolving environment. Scaled Agile Framework, SAFe. Scaling Agile in large organizations can be a daunting task. What is SAFe? SAFe is a framework designed to scale Agile across large enterprises. SAFe provides a structured way to align multiple Agile teams under a unified strategy, ensuring everyone, from developers to executives, is working toward a common goal. While traditional Agile works well for small teams, scaling up requires additional layers of coordination. SAFe bridges this gap by combining Agile principles with organizational alignment. For example, SAFe introduces the concept of Agile release trains, which are essentially teams of teams. These trains work together on a shared vision, delivering value incrementally while staying aligned with the organization's broader objectives. SAFe also emphasizes planning at multiple levels. Teams engage in PI, program increment planning, a collaborative session where they define priorities and dependencies for the next few months. This ensures that all teams are aligned, reducing risks and delays in complex product development. Why SAFe works for enterprises? Large enterprises like tech giants or multinational corporations adopt SAFe for its ability to handle complexity without sacrificing agility. Imagine a company developing a sophisticated software platform with teams spread across the globe. SAFe helps them maintain synchronized progress, communicate effectively, and adapt to changes quickly. Another strength of SAFe is its focus on leadership alignment. Executives, portfolio managers, and team leads participate in decision-making, ensuring that strategy and execution are fully connected. This alignment boosts transparency and keeps everyone focused on delivering value to customers. Disciplined Agile Delivery. Disciplined Agile Delivery focuses on delivering solutions while balancing goals like speed, quality, and flexibility. It's a toolkit that helps teams adapt to their unique challenges. Disciplined Agile Delivery, DAD, is an important concept in Agile that helps teams deliver high-quality solutions while balancing speed, flexibility, and risk management. Unlike other frameworks that may prescribe a one-size-fits-all approach, DAD is a toolkit that offers teams a range of strategies to choose from, based on their unique needs. It combines principles from Agile, Lean, and other frameworks, enabling teams to adapt and improve continuously as they work through different challenges. DAD stands apart from frameworks like Scrum or Kanban due to its flexibility. Rather than imposing rigid guidelines, DAD provides teams the freedom to select the best practices that fit their specific context, allowing for a more tailored approach. This flexibility is one of the reasons DAD is so useful. It empowers teams to adjust their methods based on the project's unique requirements. Key principles of DAD include governance and process control, roles and responsibilities, and lifecycle options. Governance and process control ensure that the right level of control is maintained throughout the project. Roles and responsibilities help clarify the functions of key team members, such as the team lead and architecture owner. Additionally, DAD offers multiple lifecycle options, such as Agile, Lean, and continuous delivery, which can be adopted depending on the needs of the project. The beauty of DAD lies in its adaptability. If a team needs to focus on delivering solutions quickly, DAD provides strategies for scaling Agile practices to meet that goal. Conversely, if quality is the primary concern, DAD emphasizes practices that ensure high-quality standards are met. This versatility allows teams to focus on their priorities and balance the often competing demands of speed, quality, and flexibility. In essence, DAD helps organizations deliver better results by increasing agility and reducing risks. It provides a structure that ensures teams remain focused on their goals while adapting to new challenges as they arise. Whether you're delivering software, products, or services, Disciplined Agile Delivery offers the guidance and tools to support a successful and sustainable Agile journey. Large-scale Scrum, LESS. LESS is all about simplicity. It extends Scrum principles to larger teams while staying true to its lightweight philosophy. Large-scale Scrum, LESS, is an extension of the Scrum framework designed to help larger teams scale Scrum principles without losing the simplicity and flexibility that Scrum is known for. While Scrum is highly effective for small teams, the challenge arises when you need to scale these practices to multiple teams working together on a single product. This is where LeSS comes in. It builds on Scrum's core values of collaboration, transparency, and flexibility, ensuring that large teams can coordinate effectively while staying true to Scrum's lightweight philosophy. The beauty of LeSS is that it maintains the same roles, events, and artifacts found in Scrum, but applies them in a way that suits larger, cross-functional teams. Instead of complicating the process with additional layers of management, LeSS focuses on keeping things simple. One of the key features of LES is the use of a single product backlog. This shared backlog is used by all the teams, which helps streamline priorities, eliminate duplication of effort, and ensure everyone is aligned on the same goals. Additionally, roles like Product Owner and Scrum Master are scaled across teams to maintain clarity and focus while avoiding redundant responsibilities. LES also emphasizes the importance of cross-functional, self-organizing teams that can collaborate across different areas of the product. Despite working on different aspects, these teams are all working toward the same goal, ensuring a unified product delivery. By retaining the basic Scrum structure, but applying it across multiple teams, LeSS ensures that coordination doesn't come at the cost of complexity. What makes LESS particularly effective is its ability to avoid bureaucracy and miscommunication, common pitfalls in larger frameworks. By maintaining Scrum's focus on transparency, inspection, and adaptation, LeSS provides organizations with the flexibility to scale their practices while minimizing the complexity typically associated with larger projects. Whether you're scaling for a few additional team members or an entire department, LeSS ensures that the agile values that drive Scrum are upheld, even as the team grows. Risk management in Agile. Managing risk is a proactive and iterative process. Unlike traditional project management, where risks are often identified at the beginning and addressed in a single long-term plan, Agile allows teams to identify risks early and continuously throughout the project lifecycle. This iterative approach is crucial for reducing the chance of major setbacks and ensuring that teams remain flexible to changing circumstances. One of the key ways Agile manages risk is through sprints. Sprints allow teams to test assumptions, validate hypotheses, and quickly learn from feedback. By delivering incremental improvements at the end of each sprint, teams can identify potential risks and make necessary adjustments before they snowball into larger issues. Proactive risk mitigation strategies are built into the Agile framework. For example, teams focus on delivering working solutions early and often, which reduces the risk of significant delays or failures. Regular communication with stakeholders also helps mitigate risks by ensuring that everyone remains aligned on expectations and goals. In addition, Agile encourages teams to embrace change rather than resist it. This adaptability ensures that teams can respond to new risks or challenges that arise during the course of the project. Techniques like continuous testing, frequent retrospectives, and backlog refinement further contribute to risk management by helping teams continuously assess and address risks throughout the project. A real-world example of a project that avoided failure through Agile is the development of the Spotify music streaming service. Initially, the company faced challenges around scaling and maintaining quality as the user base grew rapidly. By adopting Agile practices, particularly Scrum, Spotify was able to break its product development into smaller, more manageable parts. This iterative process allowed Spotify to identify and address risks early, such as performance issues and user experience concerns, before they became major problems. Today, Spotify continues to thrive as one of the world's leading music platforms, thanks in part to its proactive risk management through Agile. By identifying risks early, testing assumptions, and responding to feedback iteratively, Agile enables teams to deliver projects successfully, even in the face of uncertainty. Through proactive strategies and real-world examples like Spotify, it's clear that Agile's approach to risk management can help avoid failure and lead to greater project success. Continuous improvement. Agile thrives on the principle of continuous improvement, where teams are always looking for ways to get better, faster, and more efficient. This mindset is ingrained in every Agile cycle, allowing teams to reflect, adapt, and evolve throughout the project. One of the core practices that drive continuous improvement in Agile is the retrospective. After each sprint or iteration, teams hold a retrospective meeting to reflect on the work done. This is a dedicated time to analyze what went well, what didn't, and what could be improved in the next cycle. By fostering an open environment where everyone can voice their opinions, retrospectives allow teams to identify small, incremental improvements that can make a big difference over time. Feedback loops play a crucial role in continuous improvement as well. Agile teams rely on frequent and fast feedback from stakeholders, users, and team members to ensure they're on the right track. These feedback loops help teams understand if their work is meeting the needs of the users or if adjustments are necessary. By incorporating feedback continuously, whether through user testing, sprint reviews, or daily stand-ups, teams can adjust course quickly and avoid potential issues before they escalate. This constant feedback helps teams stay focused on delivering value and ensures that they're making the most of every iteration. Metrics also play a critical role in Agile's approach to continuous improvement. Teams often use specific performance indicators to measure their progress, efficiency, and quality. Common metrics like cycle time, lead time, and burn-down charts give teams valuable insights into their performance, helping them pinpoint areas for improvement. By tracking these metrics over time, teams can identify trends and patterns, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately improve their processes. For example, if a team notices that their cycle time is increasing, they can investigate the cause and implement changes to optimize their workflow. Through tools like retrospectives, feedback loops, and performance metrics, Agile teams are able to foster a culture of continuous improvement. By constantly reflecting, gathering feedback, and measuring their progress, teams not only improve the quality of their work, but also enhance their ability to deliver value to customers consistently. This iterative process is what allows Agile to thrive and evolve over time. Agile team dynamics. A great Agile team is built on a foundation of trust, communication, and shared ownership. These elements are essential to fostering an environment where collaboration and innovation thrive. Trust is the cornerstone of any high-performing team. In an Agile environment, team members trust each other to do their part, to communicate openly, and to share responsibility for the project's success. This trust allows teams to work in an autonomous and self-organizing manner, where each member feels empowered to contribute their expertise without micromanagement. Without trust, it's difficult to achieve the collaboration that Agile requires, as team members may hesitate to share ideas, admit mistakes, or suggest improvements. Communication is another crucial factor in Agile team dynamics. Since Agile relies on fast, iterative cycles and frequent changes, open and transparent communication becomes vital. Regular check-ins, such as daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives, ensure that everyone stays aligned and is aware of each other's progress and challenges. This constant flow of information helps to address potential roadblocks quickly, ensures that expectations are clear, and enables the team to adapt swiftly to any changes. Shared ownership is key to ensuring that everyone feels responsible for the project's outcome. In Agile, there is no single person responsible for success or failure. Instead, the entire team takes collective ownership of both the process and the product. Whether it's delivering a feature, solving a problem, or making improvements, each member is fully invested in the success of the project. This sense of shared ownership motivates team members to contribute their best work and collaborate effectively to achieve common goals. By aligning individual efforts with team objectives, Agile teams can overcome challenges and deliver high-quality results faster. Agile Coach Anne. Agile Coach is a catalyst for change within an organization, guiding teams through the Agile transformation process and ensuring that Agile principles are deeply embedded in the organization's culture. The role of an Agile coach goes beyond just teaching Agile practices. It's about creating an environment where teams can thrive, adapt, and continuously improve. An Agile coach helps teams understand the value behind Agile methodologies and empowers them to adopt the mindset and practices that will drive success. They provide guidance, support, and expertise, helping teams navigate through challenges and refine their processes to become more effective and efficient. They serve as a mentor to both individuals and teams, providing advice, sharing experiences, and offering insights to help people grow in their Agile journey. This often includes coaching team members on how to work better together, how to communicate effectively, and how to embrace the principles of collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. By mentoring, Agile coaches help individuals understand their role in the larger team dynamic and build the skills they need to contribute to the team's success. Another critical skill is facilitation. Agile coaches facilitate various Agile ceremonies, such as daily stand-ups, sprint planning, retrospectives, and sprint reviews, ensuring these meetings are productive and focused. They also help teams remain aligned with the Agile process, guiding them in areas where they may struggle or become misaligned. Facilitating these interactions involves not only keeping meetings on track, but also ensuring that every voice is heard and that the team stays focused on delivering value. Effective facilitation helps teams navigate challenges and keeps the momentum of the Agile process moving forward. Lastly, conflict resolution is a key aspect of an Agile coach's role. In any team environment, conflicts can arise due to differences in opinion, working styles, or misunderstandings. The Agile coach helps manage these conflicts by creating an open environment where issues can be discussed constructively. They guide the team through conflicts in a way that encourages collaboration and leads to solutions that benefit everyone involved. A good Agile coach knows that conflict, when managed properly, can lead to growth and innovation, strengthening the team in the process. In summary, an Agile coach is a facilitator, mentor, and conflict resolver, guiding teams through their Agile transformation and helping them align with Agile principles. By developing a deep understanding of team dynamics, communication, and continuous improvement, Agile coaches play a crucial role in ensuring that Agile practices are successfully adopted and sustained in an organization. Their work drives not only the success of individual teams, but also the overall growth and adaptability of the organization. Agile in the real world. Implementing Agile in the real world isn't always smooth sailing. While Agile offers tremendous benefits in terms of flexibility, speed, and collaboration, organizations often face challenges when making the transition. Resistance to change is one of the most common hurdles. Many employees are accustomed to traditional ways of working and may be skeptical of Agile's iterative nature and new processes. Misaligned expectations between teams, leadership, and stakeholders can also create friction, as not everyone may be on the same page regarding what Agile really means and how it should be applied. However, when Agile is implemented correctly, it can drive significant transformation and improve an organization's ability to adapt to market changes and customer needs. There are numerous success stories where companies have thrived with Agile. For example, companies like Spotify and ING have embraced Agile practices on a large scale and seen remarkable improvements in their ability to innovate and deliver value to customers. Spotify, with its small, autonomous teams, has been able to rapidly evolve its product based on customer feedback. Similarly, ING Bank adopted Agile across its entire organization, resulting in faster decision-making and more streamlined processes. These companies didn't just adopt Agile for the sake of change. They leveraged it to improve their customer experience, increase efficiency, and stay competitive in rapidly changing markets. However, the journey to Agile success comes with valuable lessons. One of the key takeaways is the importance of buy-in from all levels of the organization, especially leadership. Training is another crucial element. Ensuring that team members are properly trained in Agile practices and that they understand the principles behind them helps prevent confusion and misapplication of the framework. It's important to understand that transformation takes time and that continuous improvement is part of the journey. In summary, while implementing Agile presents challenges like resistance to change, lack of training, and misaligned expectations, the potential rewards are significant. To wrap up, Agile is more than just a methodology. It's a game changer for modern projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Share your Agile experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.